Welcome to this guided meditation to ground and connect with Goddess Gaia. I'm your mystical guide, Priestess Erica, and today we will anchor together deeply in the Earth Mother, calling on her, Mother Gaia, to nurture our energy field and to help you embody heaven on earth. So we begin by finding a comfortable place where you're safe from interruptions. You can lay down or sit up, it's up to you. We just want to make sure you're uber comfortable and you can close your eyes and take a deep breath. And as you exhale, you feel your body melting and relaxing. And with this meditation, let's allow ourselves to be fully present in this moment, here and now. Let's visualize with our insight. We're going to visualize that there's roots within us, kind of like the nervous system, right? Or how the blood vessels run down your arms. Let's visualize a root system extending down your arms into the earth, extending down your body, expanding from your spine, and exiting the soles of your feet. We are going to reach deep into the Earth Mother with each breath, and we're going to feel these roots traveling further and further, intertwining with other root systems that are in our community that are stable and supportive. Right? We're not alone in this. We're sinking in together through layers of soil and rock and minerals, and we're collecting information. And we are going to grow so far deep in the earth that we connect with the core. And we feel it pulsating like a heart. Wow. The heart of Mother Earth is where we are now. And she is welcoming you in, this Divine Mother, pulling you in gently into her heart center. And your roots are intertwining now with the system of the Earth's energy. And it's pulsating with your heartbeat, right? These roots are like veins pulsating with blood, and you begin to draw nourishment from her heart, like a placenta attached to the mother. You are connected, and you are grounding, and you are breathing this energy into the roots and up, rising slowly like a rich current of life, flowing up, and now it's filling your whole body. And you are connected with the earth's heartbeat in rhythm, and you are in rhythm with the earth as you inhale. And you can feel the strength and steadiness of Gaia's mountains at the base of your hips, and you can feel that steadiness as it rises, bringing a deep, calming warmth up into your channel, up into your abdomen, breathing it up into your chest, right, into your lungs, into your heart, and you feel like you are being cradled in the warm embrace of the Divine Mother Gaia. iridescent light is descending from the heavens, melting from the stars into your crown. And you see these stars developing like diamonds, setting stones into your crown as the light touches your head. And this is infusing your body with divine energy from above, because you are a conduit between heaven and earth, and you are perfectly aligned for this transmission. So breathe it in. Breathe in the golden light mixing with that rising molten lava, right? Embrace it inside of you as it comes in perfect union right at your heart center. Heaven and earth meet right in the center of your heart, and it's molding and blending, and you see it like melted metal. It's warm and it's filling you up. Allow this sensation because you're safe, and you can allow it to settle because you don't need to do anything. As if your entire being knows that it's being wrapped in a blanket of warm peace from heaven and earth, blending as you breathe. And you feel the energy of the earth beneath you, and you feel the energy of the heaven above you. As you exhale, it's coming together, and you're anchoring it inside of you. As you breathe and you exhale any resistance, you breathe in more, and you exhale and it settles. And you sense the connection of the vast universe, the sky above, and the depths of the earth that is dark and wet. And you are in the center. You are centered in this gentle rhythm, and you are embodying both heaven and earth, anchored, and you are expanding and grounding and connected. So take a moment to fully experience this within you, this sensation of deep connection. Feel Gaia's presence holding you with unconditional love. And you know without any doubt at this time, you know you can return to this space of connection because you know the way. You have the key to anchoring yourself, heaven on earth through you. And be grateful for this connection. Be grateful for this opportunity to be. And to be thankful for Mother Gaia for holding you as a child. Embrace this light. And be thankful for Goddess Gaia for her nurturing presence and her grounding force assisting you. She is in constant support. So now let's bring yourself to full awareness where you are in your present moment. Wiggle your fingers and know that you're drawing in those roots that you expanded out. You're drawing them back into your system. You're drawing your roots back in, drawing them back in, bringing them up. And you still feel this deep sense of grounding because it's inside of you. guidance. You are perfectly aligned to bring this through and be a conduit. So thank you for allowing me to be a witness and to be of service, bringing you this message. Thank you for joining me, right? Thank you for joining me in this grounding practice with Goddess Gaia. And if you'd like to continue your journey, deepening your practice with me, you can find meditations on my YouTube channel. You can visit me at my website, yourlivingolder.com. You can find me in my Facebook group where I share a lot of resources that are